when he gets a cut. But I, with this epoxy, I would start in the middle with this boat and I would work all the way to the end. Then I'd go down the middle again and I'd work to the other end. I may not do like the very end right here, from here on, it's a little harder to do. But I would do from the center to here, and I'd go down there and do that end. What happens if we do? Well, we buy a carpet?
No, you'd be wearing these homeowner shoes.
But it's easy to do that top part up on top and then skip the sides, but you can't do that. Pull that down right. Yeah, like here's a spot that there's no epoxy. See that little white spot? And somebody, if we starve it right there, see that line?
No, they've never got any in it.
Yeah, if we don't get that, we'll end up with a pucker right
We gotta get that bubble, yeah. We gotta get that hole filled there. Yep. Yeah, we need. We're gonna want to get this filled in here before we're looking across.
You say you're stirring it for like 3 minutes or something? What did you say?
Yep, 3 minutes.
I'll get the bigger towel. It'll be a little higher, a little lower. Get the line up. White. Cut that. You see that strip white? Yeah. And you put the red and the white. Yeah, you put some red. How are you doing that?
Well, we're doing this right now. All these little tabs, these little things, that looks about it. So, yeah.
Make sure it's wet enough to go on the edge.
Can you get some down here on this?
Yeah, we're
Okay,
good.
good. Get this here.
So you got a straight vertical line, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Well, after about 40 minutes playing with this one, you got the paper out. Let's just say it was station number 3. One side of it was cut with station number 3 pattern. The other side was cut with station number 4 pattern.
Oh.
So the light sand, I'll sand the whole thing down there lightly. Not even with the color sand and the hand sand.